Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, compass, heated front seats, clock, trip computer, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.